Dear students, yesterday I have taught you the French Revolution and I have discussed the political condition, social condition of France, and third point I have taught you economic position. With reference to the economic position, I have taught you that famine came to existence in France. After that, storage of food exhausted means common people were facing lot of problem because if storage of food will be limited, the price of food material will be increased. Then what happened? First state means priestly class and second state nobility. Both were enjoying their life as it is what they enjoyed earlier because they had not to pay any tax, so they had surplus money. So if price will increased, no issue. But when price will be increased, so third state were facing lot of problem, and after that, that group became furious with monarchy. So this is third one, and fourth cause, that is very important, influence of philosophers. Dear students, during American Revolution I have taught you influence of the philosophers. I have given name Jefferson, name I have given Tom Paine, Hargreaves name I have given. So these fellow are uh, American philosophers, and they spread enlightenment and they advocated about the drawbacks of the colonialism, and they wrote against the British suppressive policies. With reference to the French Revolution, philosophers like Montesquieu, Voltaire, Rousseau, and Locke, all many others are also there. They wrote about liberty, equality, and fraternity because equality was not existed in the society, liberty was not existed in the society, and brotherhood was also, fraternity means brotherhood was also not existed. And the written article or books against monarchy, against the right and privilege of the people, and they also written against the social inequality. I have taught you that clergymen had many rights, they were not paying any tax, knights were also not paying tax, and only third state were paying tax. It means discrimination is there, equality is not there. And after that, people started questioning on French system. Then what happened? One more point is there. I would like to mention here. I have taught you when American Revolution started. So French government supported Americans. So many French soldiers were also, they were participating in that war, and when they returned back, so they had seen what happened in America. Means democratic system introduced in America, and right of the means common people had many privilege after American War of Independence. So they explain this one in their society. So after that, enlightenment, political awareness, political sensibility came to existence in French society. These are some causes that I have taught you. Many other causes were also responsible, but in brief I am teaching. Now, after that, what happened? The next heading is there: outbreak of the revolution, the tennis court oath. On 20th June 1789, the third state met at tennis court and formed the National Assembly. Dear students, you know this one. I have taught you in France, monarchy was there. One National Assembly was also there. But after 1612, the meeting of this institution, like parliament, it was a kind of a parliament, was not called, and all power vested in the hand of a king. So people observed that if National Assembly will be set up, then only we can control monarchy. So what happened? One meeting held, third state people met at tennis court. Tennis court means it was a playground where tennis will be played. One playground was there, and people gathered there. Big playground was there, and they formed the National Assembly and taken oath. What they taken oath? We will not disperse till a new constitution had not been framed. Means we will be gathering till date here when we will not make our constitution. Now I think you know when people will be talking about the constitution, after that definitely king will take action. So after that clash came between monarchy and third state. Dear student, I have taught you first state and second state not participated in the war because they were getting lot of benefit from monarchy. And one more point I would like to mention here. In first state, only high class clergymen were enjoying lot of privilege, but some clergymen also means low post they have got in church, they were also facing lot of problem, so they also supported third state. Now then clash came between monarchy and third state people. After that what happened? On 14th July 1789, people marched to Bastille. What was the Bastille? Bastille was a state prison. In that prison, how many people raised question against the monarchy or their suppressive policies or their taxation? So they had been arrested and they had been in jail, and that place was Bastille was a jail. In that many revolutionaries were imprisoned. So third state people attacked on that Bastille, that jail, and after that how many security persons were there? They had been killed, and finally they freed the prisoners. Okay, and after that they attacked on palace of Versailles. What do you mean by this one? Versailles is a kind of a palace, very massive palace, in which king and queen along with his courtiers were living. And I think I have taught you this one. Near about 18,000 people were living in that one, and out of 18,000, 16,000 people were servants. And I would like to mention his wife, Mary Antoinette. She had 500, means one person queen, and how many servants were there? 500. And king and queen enjoying their life, throwing money, and on other hand third state people were facing a lot of problem. So that third state people attacked on Versailles. So king and queen wanted to run away, but they had been caught, and after that executed at the guillotine. Guillotine means it is a kind of a machine that was developed to give punishment to people, and it will be used for beheaded the person. Means suppose this means executed means this person will be separated, this will be cutting, and king and queen both executed by guillotine. After that, monarchy over. And now what happened? What was the impact? The French Revolution swept away the power of monarchy and France was declared a republic. The ideals of the revolution, namely liberty, equality, and fraternity, had a great impact on the rest of the world. So I have taught you slogan of American Revolution, no taxation without representation, and slogan of French Revolution is liberty, equality, and fraternity. After that, what happened? A new government was set up, that is known as directory. In that directory, there were 5 members, and 5 members will be executive body, and all rules and regulation will be made by 5 members. And after that, consulate will be there. Means it was a kind of also executive system in which 3 members executive body will be there. Okay, so now I have completed this one, and next day I'll come with an other video. Thank you.